it's Matt. You might remember me from such films as Campus Tours with Matt, Castlegar Edition, or Real Talk with Matt, Zoom series. Today we're here at the Silver King campus. Just got a $23 million facelift. The trades never stop. Training, opportunities, and drive. Let's go take a peek around, but first things first, time for a haircut. Let's go.
Bada bing, bada boom. Bada bing, bada boom.
Hey, there you are. This is the Student Commons building, the jewel of a new renovation. Here you can find the foosball tables, the best poutine in the Kootenays at the cafeteria, the student and admin services, the library, the bookstore, the study rooms. This is the hub of student activity here on Silver King campus. Let's go. Like I said before, the learning and hands-on experience never stop here at the Silver King campus. We have heavy-duty mechanical, hairstylist, electrical, carpentry, welding, metal fabricator, millwright machinist, and fine woodworking programs here on campus. Here we are outside the electrical shop. Let's go splice some wires. Here at Selkirk College, we take your education and safety seriously. When it comes to learning, nothing can replace a hands-on experience. That's why here at the School of Industry and Trades, we've taken the steps to ensure a safe learning environment. We're following all government safety guidelines, including hand sanitizing stations, physical distancing markers, and masks when necessary. This will allow you to feel safe, confident, and comfortable as you hone your trade skills and prepare for your future career. You never know when an opportunity is going to pop up, and you need to be academically prepared. On top of all the trades programs here at Silver King, Selkirk College offers academic upgrading. It's also the home of transitional training and community education and workplace training. And there you have it. Thanks for joining me on the Silver King campus tour. Trades has always been a solid career choice. You interested or have questions? Email me, hello@selkirk.ca. We'll see you again soon.